If Facebook is showing a network error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem in just a minute or two. Whether Facebook is not loading, timing out, or giving you a connection message, these steps are simple, safe, and easy to try on your computer or browser. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's start with the fastest fix first. Refresh the page by pressing F5 on your keyboard. Sometimes, the issue is just a temporary loading problem, and a quick refresh is all Facebook needs to work properly again. If you're on a laptop or desktop browser, you can also click the refresh icon near the address bar and see if the page reloads correctly. If that does not solve it, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A Facebook network error can happen if your Wi-Fi is unstable, your router is having trouble, or your device is briefly disconnected. Try opening another website like Google or YouTube to see if they load normally. If other sites are also slow or not loading, then the problem is likely your internet connection rather than Facebook itself. In that case, you can reconnect to Wi-Fi, restart your router, or switch to a different network if available. Now, if your internet seems fine and Facebook still shows the error, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, browsers store old files that can sometimes conflict with Facebook and cause loading issues. To clear the cache, open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and find the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to clear cached files, and if needed, cookies as well. After that, close the browser, reopen it, and try loading Facebook again. If you are using the Facebook app on a mobile device, you can apply the same idea by clearing the app cache, restarting the app, or even restarting your phone. A fresh restart often helps remove temporary connection glitches. On desktop, you can also try opening Facebook in another browser to see if the issue is browser-specific. That can help you figure out whether the problem is with the browser, the internet, or Facebook servers. Another useful tip is to wait a moment and try again later. Sometimes, Facebook itself may be experiencing a temporary outage, and no setting change on your device will fix that immediately. If the error only happens on Facebook and not on other websites, that could be a sign that Facebook is having server problems. So to quickly recap, first, refresh the page with F5. Second, check your internet connection. Third, clear your browser cache. And if needed, try another browser or restart your device. These simple steps solve most Facebook network errors without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix the issue, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.